Just a minute. Look at the equation. Here it is given that x square plus y square minus 8x plus 4y minus 16 equal to 0. Now, imagine that if you have an equation, just randomly something I'm writing, let's say that x minus 4 square plus y minus 3 square equals to some 5 square. Now, can you identify what is the center or not? Obviously, yes, because we know that x minus h square plus y minus k square equals to radius square. So obviously center means here you can identify that what is h value, what is k value. So what we are going to do is we are going to transform the given equation into this format. Let's see how it goes. So let me clear it off the screen. Oh, okay. So let me clear it off this one.
Hmm.
Okay, okay. Well, back to the point. Now, let me group the variables. I see that x square, y square, and 8x. So, what I'm doing is here I'm grouping x values and y values. Before that, let me add 16 to this one on both the sides. 16. So, I get 16 here. Then remember, I'm grouping x square x square minus 8x plus y square plus 4y. So please notice that I'm grouping x values together and y values together. Well, now let me think of a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. We know that a square minus 2ab plus b square, that gives us a minus b whole square, and here by keeping this one in view I'm considering a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now mm, it is x square minus 2 times, I know what's the value of x is, I mean a is. So what is going to be a here? Yes, you are right, it's x. Now think of a number that will match with my previous step. Think of a number 2x times what value, that makes 8x. Yes, you are right. That's going to be 4 because in the previous step we have 8x. Now, you know what the value of b is. You know what the value of b is. Now, think of what the value of b square is. Yes, it is 4 square, right? Now I'm adding 4 square here. In the same way, let me take the second part of the question, which is y square, which is resembling with a square, 2 times a value. Already we knew that a equals to y, so 2y times. Now think of a number 2y times what value, that gives you 4y. Yes, it is 2. Now here we found the value of what b is. 2 is here, a is here, and b is, you know what b is. Now for sure you can guess what b square value is. So b square is going to be 2 square. Don't forget, most of the time, students are tend to make mistake here. You added 4 square, you added 2 square, you have to add the same values on the other side. So this is the most possible error students may make. So you have to be careful in this regard. Again, I'm repeating, we added 4 square which does not exist in the previous step. I added 2 square which does not exist in the previous step. For that reason, to balance the equation, I'm adding on both the sides. Now, you know that a square minus 2ab plus b square is a minus b whole square. We are almost done. Oh, so here it's going to be a value x, b value is 4, x minus 4 square plus it is a square plus 2ab plus b square. You know it's going to be a plus b whole square. Therefore, it is y plus 2 whole square equals to 16 plus 4 square, 4 times 4, 2 square, 4. That gives us 36. Well, this is 6 square, this is x minus 4 square plus y plus 2 square. You know, this is resembling with our equation of a circle, x minus h square plus y minus k square equals to radius square, right? Now, what's the value of h? You are right, it's 4. What's the value of k? Do you think it's 2? No, because in the previous one, here the signs are the same and here the signs are not. So, let me rewrite this one. Instead of y plus 2 square, let me write minus y minus negative 2, y minus negative 2. You know, so here negative sign is matching, so the value of k is going to be this one. So center h comma k is going to be 4 comma negative 2. That's it, we are done.